Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I will show you how to apply the diff function in the R programming language. So in the video I'm going to show you two different examples, and both of these examples rely on the example data that we can create with line 3 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you will see that at the top right of RStudio a new vector object appears, and we can also have a look at this vector. And as you can see here at the bottom in the RStudio console, our vector contains 5 numeric values. Now, if we want to apply the diff function to this vector, then we can apply the diff function as you can see in line 6 of the code. So within the diff function, we simply need to specify the name of our data. In this case, we called our example data x. So we simply need to specify the name x here within the diff function. If you run this line of code, you will see that another numeric vector is returned at the bottom in the RStudio console. And as you can see, each of the values of these new numeric vector is representing the difference of two elements of our input vector. So -3 is the result of 2 minus 5. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 1 minus 10 is equal to -9. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now, as you have seen in this first example, the diff function is always taking the difference of the previous element of our input vector. However, we can also specify a leg within the diff function, as you can see in example 2 of the code. So here in line 9, you can see that again we are specifying the name of our original vector within the diff function, and then we are also specifying the leg to be equal to 2. So if you run line 9 of the code, you will see that another numeric object is appearing at the bottom in the RStudio console. And this time, this is the difference of the elements with a leg of 2. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. And 3 minus 10 is equal to -7. Yeah, so this is basically how to apply the diff function in the R programming language. However, if you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I am explaining the diff function in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you could check it out there. And furthermore, if you have liked the video, I would be very happy if you leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time.